Halo pentusias, kembali lagi bersama saya. Kali ini videonya akan sedikit beda. Saya ngajak jalan-jalan nih ke Kuala Lumpur. Kenapa Kuala Lumpur? Karena di Kuala Lumpur ada toko fountain pen yang sangat unik. Namanya Pen Gallery, bisa dicari di Google Map. Lokasinya tuh di SS2. Saya nggak tahu berapa banyak yang familiar dengan Kuala Lumpur. Saya kebetulan pernah sekolah di sana. Jadi sebetulnya ini dekat sama kampus saya. Tapi untung dulu nggak ada karena saya bisa bangkrut kalau udah tahu. Pintunya ada di sebelah kiri sini ya, kecil ya. Jadi masuk ke sini, tokonya tuh ada di lantai 2, bukan di lantai 1. Jadi kita buka pintu, naik dulu ke lantai 2, nanti di sebelah kanan akan ada pintu menuju tokonya. Nah, ini dalamnya. Di sebelah kiri ini section untuk buku catatan. Di sebelah kanan itu, nah itu rak itu bayangin 1 2 3 4 5 6 deretan rak dari atas sampai bawah itu semua tinta berbagai macam merek, dari merek Jepang, Amerika, segala macam deh. Nah, ini untuk perlengkapan kaligrafi. Lalu di dalamnya ini kita udah masuk ke semacam apa, showroom ya. Itu berbagai macam fountain pen dari berbagai merek, dari merek Eropa, Jepang, Taiwan, macam-macam. Di Eropa juga ada merek dari Jerman, Italia, lain-lain lah. Sini terlihat juga dua staf Pen Gallery, Cik Siti dan Cik Fazila, yang sangat ramah, sangat informatif, menjelaskan berbagai produk dan kegiatan yang ada di Pen Gallery. Di kesempatan kali ini saya juga beruntung bisa bertemu dengan pemilik Pen Gallery, Mr. Lai, yang menyempatkan waktunya untuk interview singkat. Sebelumnya saya mohon maaf karena keterbatasan peralatan, jadi syutingnya kurang maksimum, tapi inilah interviewnya.
Yeah, we open every day except Sunday. Saturday is where the people will come. It's like club day. So you have a lot of pen collectors and a lot of users who come by, check out pens, play with our inks. And one very important section that we started is our paper section.
Oh, okay.
The notebooks that I made, they are made of Tomoe Weaver papers. And these are the papers that comes from the same factory that makes the Tomoe Weaver papers. So we brought them in as raw papers and we put them together under the brand called Life Notes. So Life Notes belongs to Pen Gallery. So we have it's very clear, we have the pens, we have the inks, and also we have the papers at home. So these Life Notes with Tomoe papers are one of the best papers in the world. They're very good e-commerce pens. I'm not sure whether you have access to them in Indonesia.
We have, but it's not specialized distributed. Just like every now and then people sell it in marketplace.
We have one guy who picked up some of this and sell it in the marketplace. What is it called? Tokopedia.
Tokopedia. Got it.
So you find them there. Yeah.
And like when we started, like it's originally from pen.
Yeah, pen. We always started off with pens, and having inks is the next progression, and the paper complemented the entire business. So at the end of the day, it's just an entire business model that comes together that help people to consume their pens, their inks, and their write. So this is how we go. Over here, we are not very serious in selling pens and pens. We want to develop the hobby, the writing, and also have a bit of color fun with inks. That's why we have 1,350 colors. So we have a lot of colors. And having said that, I must tell you that I have every color that you can imagine in your brain. So that's the fun part of it.
Yeah, I think even this like really thick book here.
Yeah. So this is an ever-growing library, and it keeps getting thicker and thicker. So I have to find thicker fonts to accommodate.
We need more books.
Yeah.
More folders.
But having said that, the users and the collectors are getting younger and younger. Those days when I started this business, right, one of our customers are all beyond 40s.
For signature only.
Yeah, for signature and some for writing pleasure and things. But these days, users are getting younger and younger. So we have children, we have teenagers, we have people like you all, and obviously the older people, the middle-aged people. But it's very fun. We have many types of users. Once they come here, it's like their playground. So they act like children. All of us act like children.
Do you see any different preferences among those ages, like age stages for each brand?
Yeah. We have different people with different preference, with different liking. Some like to write, some like flexible needs, some like calligraphy, some like practical pens, and some like beautiful pens. So it really depends.
Like, what are the top choice for the younger market nowadays?
Younger users like functional pens. They always go for pens which features a lot of good nips. Obviously, you have a lot of pens like that, and you have pens from different regions, from Japan, from Taiwan, from Europe, Germany, and Italy. So these pens are all different in terms of characteristics and their nib writing. So yeah, it's different. And some people like Japanese. Japanese nibs are getting very popular.
Oh, okay.
You have Pilot, you have Platinum, you have Sailor. These are the three major brands from Japan.
Okay.
And they write very well.
Curious to know actually, like, what's your own personal favorite?
I actually like Sailor very much.
You like
I
Sailor?
like Sailor. Sailor and also Pilot. Pilot, some of the pens like the custom range they write very well. And of course, value for money.
Yeah.
Right. Other than that, the rest, Italian pens are all more on styles, more on design, and of course, German now you don't have many German brands. You practically have only two. One is Mont Blanc and one is Calligraphy.
Oh.
The notable ones.
How about the ink?
Ink, I work very closely with Diamond. As I mentioned to you, I developed three colors. Yeah, the three colors that we have that I developed. They are mainly with the Malaysian flavor. So the first ink, as I said, Yellow Gemilang is the name of our flag. It has got two colors in it. One blue with a red chin, and then Manggis is mangosteen, purple ink with a green chin. And Kopi O Gao is actually the first scented ink of Dining. It's a coffee ink with dark brown color and a bit of green chin, and of course with the coffee smell, the scent. So I like to create special projects, special things. The other one that it was really successful was the Sailor Musang King.
Oh yeah.
That's the one sold out.
Very unique.
Yeah. So I make things like that, fun.
How many pieces of the Musang one?
388 pieces.
388.
Also already.
I think that's one of your first posts that I langsung wow. I must go to the shop.
Do you have like regular customers from? Because I heard that you ship worldwide, right? Like, is there any specific region that always goes back to you, like from
we have a lot of customers all over. The furthest I actually sent to was Siberia.
Oh,
really?
Yeah, really Siberia. And it was actually ink. When they arrived there, it was frozen.
Yeah, I was wondering, can you still write?
Yeah, it was frozen. The Thai noodles have this ink called
the anti-froze.
Anti-froze, the polar edition. That works very well.
Really?
Yeah.
Your ink also is amazing, man.
Yeah.
Closer from the top.
When I sell an ink, when I represent an ink, I will sell all their colors.
Oh.
It doesn't matter whether which sells and which don't sell, but I will sell everything. It's very important for me because customers can look at the entire range. So it's more like a showcase for collection.
which is your best seller in terms of brand or ink?
8 diamond.
Diamond.
Yeah, we sell a lot of them. And number 1 and 2 Sailor.
Oh,
Because of they have a lot of choice, a lot of colors.
yeah.
Sailor with hundreds of colors, so it works very well.
Nah itu tadi interview singkat dengan Mr. Lai. Terima kasih banyak buat Mr. Lai, Cik Siti dan Cik Fazila yang sudah menerima saya. Mohon maaf juga tadi interviewnya memang tiba-tiba langsung kepotong karena Mr. Lai ada keperluan ya. Jadi ya sampai situ aja memang. Bagi yang suatu hari kebetulan mau main ke Malaysia, terutama ke kota Kuala Lumpur ini saya benar-benar sarankan banget kunjungi Pen Gallery karena ini surga bagi pencinta fountain pen dan yang demen nulis. Selain fountain pen dia juga ada tinta, ada peralatan kaligrafi, ada buku tulis yang sangat nyaman untuk dipakai dengan fountain pen, dia nggak rembes sama sekali ya. Lalu juga ya ngobrol-ngobrol aja gitu loh, nggak perlu beli barang seperti yang Mr. Lai bilang, nggak perlu harus beli barang baru masuk ke toko ini. Bisa masuk ke dalam lalu ngobrol-ngobrol, tanya-tanya produk-produk apa aja yang ada di sana. Mereka dengan senang hati akan menjelaskan itu semua sih. Nah ini semua tinta-tinta yang mereka sediakan ya, ini luar biasa lengkap sekali. Saya untungnya mungkin antara beruntung sekaligus menyesal. Itu saya waktu sampai sana jam 5, mereka tutupnya jam 7. Saya kenalan lalu saya adakan interview. Gak terasa tuh waktu sudah jam 7, jadi mereka udah mau tutup. Jadi saya tidak terlalu berkesempatan untuk benar-benar melihat apa yang sebetulnya saya inginkan untuk diri sendiri. Tapi itulah, kalau saya punya waktu pasti juga habis dompet. Tapi suatu hari saya pasti akan kembali untuk benar-benar melihat dan menikmati. Seperti biasa, kalau ada pertanyaan atau saran silahkan tulis di kolom komentar. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.